Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this episode, I will be guiding you through how to create a demo account on MetaTrader 5. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure that you've downloaded and installed MetaTrader 5 application on your device. Once you are done, launch the app open. From the main homepage of MetaTrader 5, tap on the menu bar appearing at the top left corner. Tap on Get Started at the top in order to log in to an existing account or to open up a demo account. Tap on the little plus icon at the top right once you get to this page. Find a broker in the search box or simply select MetaCodes Software Corp and click on Open a Demo Account on the next page. On the next page, you will need to fill in some of your personal information. Type in your first name, your second name, enter a valid phone number and an email address in the text boxes appearing under personal information at the top. Let me just go ahead and fill in all of those information and come back to you. Once you are done filling in your personal information, go to account information and select whether you'd like to use hedge and trading. Select a server from the server option and select your account type from the drop-down at the bottom next to account type. Similarly, you can also select the leverage and your deposit amount from this page. Now, click on Accept at the bottom and click Register, and you will be able to create a demo account. Now, you will be able to see your login ID and your password. Make sure to keep this information safe so that you can get back to your demo account even after you sign out of it. Now that you have access to your demo account, you can start practicing trading in a risk-free environment using virtual funds. So that's how you can easily create a demo account for MetaTrader 5. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.